Bobby and Barbara bringing you your morning announcements for Monday, October 28th, 2019.
Animal Rescue Club is hosting Cattober, little Cattober, and we are collecting cat goods for the local animal rescues. If you'd like to donate and be part of the solution, then donate your cat food and supplies. Give them to Miss Garcia in room 21.
Theater is performing tonight at 7. Tickets in advance are $3 and $7 at the door.
MICKEYMOUSE. If you would like to go to Disneyland in Anaheim, California, and you're a senior, and take part in the wondrous adventure that is grad night, then make sure to stop by Route 51 and grab an informational packet. The deposits are due soon. Be a little speedy.
HRLC is selling paletas in room 21 for only $1. They have many flavors such as
Arroz.
strawberry and cookies and cream. They are also selling
Mangonadas.
for $3.
And now over to Melvin and Chris for our weekly weather report.
Chris! Melvin! It's time for weekly weather report! What's up, everybody? And we are back with your weekly weather report with Melvin and Chris. It's gonna be an amazing, splendid, scrumdiddly-umptious, like I said last time, weather report. On Monday, we're gonna have a high of 72 with a nice little breezy low of 38. Tuesday, it's gonna be a high of 74 and a low of 48. On Wednesday, we're gonna have another high of 72 with a low of 36. On Thursday, it's gonna be a high of 75 and a low of 38. On Friday, we're gonna have a high of 74 and a low of 42. Saturday is gonna be a high of 77 and a low of 41. On Sunday, we're gonna have another high of 77 and a low of 46. Hey, and that concludes for our weekly weather report with Melvin and yours truly, Chris. We have sayonara, baby.
Thanks, Melvin and Chris, for another amazing. Well,
It was a weather report.
it's gonna be hot.
But what's crazy is tomorrow.
It's gonna be even harder.
Wow. Did you hear about that poll they're doing? Look,
I know. They have to validate them. That's dumb.
I mean, sports recaps obviously the best. You know?
And they just copy us. So
Alright, whatever. It's okay.
it's okay.
I don't even care.
Dude,
but-
you kind of act like you do that.
No, but I don't care, like, at all. Like,
I kind of care.
I mean, why care when we already know we're the best? But, yeah, I'm thinking about it.
And that's it!
For today's announcements. I'm Fabian Barba, and this was Elise Peterson
Yes.
bringing you your morning announcements for Monday, October 28th, 2019.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Wolf Den News.
Make it a great day or not, Sierra. The choice is yours.
Accurate.